Hello and welcome back to another Dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today you'll be riding along with me on southbound US 31 in the great state of Michigan. But to all our first time visitors, I would like to first of all say welcome and would recommend to you checking out some more of my Dashcam, GoPro, and drone videos from some other trips I have taken, which includes footage from states like Nevada, Arizona, and Nebraska to name a few. In this video, we'll start on US 31 in the Beulah and Benzonia area. We'll continue south on US 31 through Bear Lake and past the Little River Casino Resort into the town of Manistee. Also, before you go, if you like watching these kinds of videos as much as I do, I would encourage you to click that like button, leave a comment, and or become a subscriber if you haven't already to help support me make more videos just like this one. After this short trip up to Mackinaw on Michigan's Upper Peninsula, we'll be heading west to California, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to follow along. But for now, I'm going to keep driving south on US 31 in the Great Lakes state of Michigan. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll keep heading south on US 31, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.